My legs are not available. The legs are not folding.
Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna challenge my friends for 15,000 rupees. But first let me explain the rules. So basically we went out to get lots of ice, carry it to the room, put it in our jacuzzi and made two teams. Whatever team stays in the longest gets the prize. We are team Icebreakers! And we are team Freeze Me Baby. Alright Shahveer, we're doing an ice challenge. Can you explain me your outfit and what is this?
Sure. Basically the reason why I'm wearing a turtleneck is because it's gonna protect me from the cold. You make sure that you wear a turtleneck at all times because you know turtles are hot.
Hashir, why are you wearing a cap and what is this cup of tea doing?
Cap is my swag, okay? This pajama, you know, Adidas pajama, not water come to in this pajama, and my English is full of pain and please get lost. Go.
And then the speaker is basically I'm gonna play some hot tunes in the water.
As you guys can see, I'm wearing shorts because I don't need to wear pants. I have enough hairs to cover my legs, and I'm wearing these glasses because I am colorblind. And I'm wearing this cap because I'm really religious. That's why.
How is religion going to help you stay hot, Ali bhai?
Because religion is hot.
I'm about to rock and roll this challenge.
Oh, I'm just warming up, guys.
Team Icebreaker, are you guys ready?
Let's rock and roll, baby.
3, 2, 1.
Go!
Get in!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait!
My legs are hurting, man.
Mamma mia!
मैं नीचे क्यों पकड़ रहा है?
Bro, breathe. He's passing out. Don't die. It's not. Everyone's face is hilarious. He's literally passing out.
I don't feel cold now.
Yeah. Guys, 2 minutes in. Is anybody dead or something? Yo!
I'm gonna do the same thing with you guys.
Bye!
Don't leave me. Oh, टांगे काटनी पड़ जाएंगी क्या? अरे भाई कसम से बस, कसम से कुछ नहीं होता। अल्लाह की कसम उठा। कसम नहीं आता अली भाई।
अली भाई अगर
Okay.
अली भाई सुने, अगर आपको हाइपोथर्मिया हो गया ना तो आपकी पूरी बॉडी यहाँ तक, खाली गर्दन रह जाएगी।
सारा कुछ काट देंगे। जाएंगे ऐसा लगता नहीं चाहिए हो गया। अली भाई वो देखो, कुछ 5.5 minutes 30. 5 minutes 30 seconds. I don't feel cold actually because I'm because you are trying.
You know why you don't feel cold?
Because I peed.
You peed?
I'm kidding. You peed?
I'm kidding.
Yeah, done.
Alright.
You were staying, man. Stay. Yo! My nipple's gonna fall off. Yo, no. Just no, bro. Just one more minute.
Is everything okay, Ali bhai, so Chris came out at 6:54.
One eternity later.
And
I'm sleeping.
Yes!
चलो कौन वाला साइड मारे होते थे? जिस शहर में मैं रहता हूँ ना, वहाँ पर पानी की लहरें तो My sense.
7.5 minutes. We have to stay in there for at least 7.5 minutes, bro.
अगर डेथ हो गई तो हम तो शहीद होंगे ना ठीक है
Ready? Okay, guys. No! No! Oh, this is good. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go! 30 seconds to
Tell my mom and dad I'm very love with him.
He's freezing.
Which time?
2 minutes. Ashe, you know.
हम तो पागल हो
Guys, 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
I have a good way to make it colder, guys. Snow spray.
No, please.
The lower part of my body is literally half frozen. I'm not even joking. Like, it literally is.
I can feel like that my down part is not available.
Oh my god! Oh my god, Ali, they're gonna win 6 minutes.
Hey, I'm just thinking, what should we do with the losing team? I'm not sure. Hashif, क्या करना चाहिए losing team के
अंडे
साथ?
मारने चाहिए इनके।
अंडे मारने चाहिए. Yo, we're gonna throw eggs at you guys. How about that, huh? And put flowers on your body. Put flowers on your body and throw eggs at you guys.
Yeah.
Oh! Shit, we're gonna lose! Oh my god! 30 seconds, Hashif. Hashif, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Freeze me, baby. What can I freeze me, baby?
Freeze?
Hold on. We won the challenge, and this is what we're gonna do with the losing team.
My legs are not available. The legs are not folding.
Alright guys, I've lost the challenge. And what are you gonna do now?
We're gonna throw eggs at you, and we're gonna put flour on you.
No.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe, guys. Rest in peace.
Ali, मारो. Good job, Dua. Good job. Three, two, nine. Yeah. And we are team Freeze Me Baby.
Baby.
Sorry, man, what is the reason of you going into an ice bath like that, how is the topi going to help the cold?
Because I want to improve myself. No, just cut this part. No, don't do it.